Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to make multiple faces on an object for FEA analysis or CFD. We're going to start by going to create a part. In the part workbench here. And I'm going to go ahead and create just a cube. I'll leave the placement as is. The length, we'll go ahead and make this 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters. So we have our cube here. And then go to our part design workbench. We're going to create a datum plane. And I'll go ahead and I won't select this to anything actually, so I'm just going to press OK. There's no attachment, that's fine. So we've got our body and then our cube. Now with the datum plane, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to just make 5 different copies. So with this datum plane, resize mode, manual, and I'll go ahead and make this 200 by 200. And in the position, I'll set this at 50. Let's go ahead and get this in a good spot for the cube. I'm going to go ahead actually and delete these. I shouldn't have created those. And you can actually delete this body as well once you've got this datum plane. Now, go ahead and copy this, say 5 times. So this is at least in the position that I want. And now what I'll just do, I'll put this one at 60, this one at 70, this one at 80, and this one at 90. And then I can go ahead and create another datum plane. Actually, I could, let me just delete that. Let me try this with datum plane number 6. I could just do a 90 degree, change the axis to, let's see, I think the normal will be to the X. Let's make that the Y instead. So now I've got this slice as well. And it looks like it'll be okay. Let me check on the video recording. Looks like it is still recording here. And then I'll go ahead and copy this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And in the position, since we're moving it on the Y, I'll put that at 60, this at 70, this at 80, and this at 90. Oh, my bad. I needed to do that on the X. So we're going to put that back to 50. That's going to go to 80. 50, 70, 50, 60. Okay, so now we've made multiple datum planes. So I'm going to go to now the part workbench. I'm going to take my cube, select that, shift select all of the datum planes, come up to our Boolean fragments and do slice to compound. And now I have individual faces based on those cut planes. So we'll go set up a quick FEA just to show you how the meshing works. Select our compound, G-mesh from shape. Let's go ahead and just do 5 millimeters. So here's the slice. You can see the mesh. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and refine the mesh. I'll just press OK there. We're going to refine it. And let's make this 2. We're going to add this face, this face, this face, this face. Let's add some faces down here. Okay, we'll press apply. And now, if I get rid of the slice, you'll see that the mesh is now improved in those areas that we selected. So you can set your constraints as well. We'll go ahead and open that, close this. Let's see. Let me get out of the box. We'll set up the material. And then let's go ahead and put our constraint force. Again, just to show you that you can select these faces now versus here, right? This one face, it's going to be everything on that face, but here, there are the constraint forces only on that one particular face. And I'll just scale this to, let's see, 0.5, just make it a little easier to see. We'll set our forces as well on that face, this face, this face, this face, this face. We'll reverse the direction, having a compression, but again, you can see that here's the force applied over this entire large face, and then these are the individuals that you can choose since we've done this slicing operation. So, in this video, you've seen how to use the datum planes to do slicing of the objects to get the faces that you want so that you can set your constraints for FEA analysis and CFD so that you can also improve your mesh. And best of luck.